right, so very quickly, on Tuesday of last week, I sent out an email saying that I was looking for some great tips to share with the rest of the AOE community about Amazon, about selling on Amazon, whether that's motivational stuff or sourcing or product selection or anything at all. And then I gave all of those tips to the AOE coaches and asked them to pick their top 5 winners from each of them. And then I collated all that. And then so the top 5 winners who've submitted something are each going to win a $50 amazon.com.au gift voucher. And here they are. So in no particular order. This is Elaine. Elaine's tip was this. So adopt the approach that good enough and done is better than perfect. Realize that you can't possibly get everything right and you will make mistakes when you are learning. In fact, making mistakes is mostly how we learn, and that is extremely true. You will make mistakes on the path, and that is the purpose of the path. So you can make mistakes, you can learn from them, and continue on your merry way. So that's a great tip from Elaine. This one's from Kerry. I like this one. Kerry says, visit all your favorite brick and mortar stores, enter with a spring in your step and a jaunty, cheery disposition, gain the staff's confidence by showing an intent to buy, and when they are putty in your hands, very subtly coax out what they most current and best-selling products are. I love that. I do that all the time. Natasha gets the shits with me when I do that, but I do it all the time. It's a really great way of getting market intelligence from a shop about what's selling really well. Great tip from Kerry. Here's Gus. I like this one from Gus. So Gus says, I like to see product development as a percentage game, the aim being to get to 100%. If you've done the product research correctly and you find a solid product, it ticks all the boxes, research volumes, competition, etc. Just selling that product as it is from Alibaba gives you a 0% score. It's super easy for someone to piggyback and destroy your sales overnight. Doing your research into how you can improve that product by studying the competition's listings and reviews, you can identify what changes need to be made to build up your percentage score. And then he goes into actually how to do that. So you can amend the color to stand out and provide an aesthetic point of difference. You can change the packaging. You can make it, say, environmentally friendly. You can make custom labels that have got strong design presence. Speaks a lot to what Sam was saying as well. You can get some lifestyle shots done that aren't just photoshopped stock images, and all of those little things like that, as Sam was saying as well, will go to creating your own unique brand and your own unique product to sell on Amazon. So if you just did those things, what Gus has said, that will get you to 80%. That's going to put you way ahead of the competition who are just selling the same old shit on Amazon. Good one from Gus. Here's Megan. When speaking to suppliers, try to ask one question at a time, as they rarely answer more than one when you ask it. That's very true. Also be patient and respectful as they're speaking in their second language. And lastly, be really specific about what you want and what you need, as things definitely get lost in translation or misconstrued. And I've added into that as well, you want to use photographs where possible to demonstrate what you actually want. That's a great tip from Megan. Last one's from Debbie. I like this one. This is something I do in my own businesses. Do something every day with Amazon, no matter how big or small. Just do one thing that moves you one step closer to your final goal. I've lived my life by that. It's the very small steps that taken singularly don't really mean very much, but when you take them as a whole, it builds an Amazon business for you and sets you free. I really like that tip from Debbie. Here's my last tip from me. This Christmas, if you're planning on giving someone money as a gift, instead give them an Amazon gift card. The more people that are using Amazon, the better that is for all of us. So I encourage you to buy Amazon gift cards.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked
on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.